It's Kristen from Caster Depot. Today I'm going to show you how to measure the grip ring stem on your replacement chair caster. Most office chairs are a 7/16 grip ring stem, but if you'd like to double check before placing your order, you're going to want to get an open-ended wrench. This one is a 7/16, and so we know that if we measure the 7/16 grip ring stem that came off of our chair and there's not a lot of play here, then you can rest assured that it's a 7/16 grip ring. And then here I'm going to show you a 3/8, and you can see that there is some slack there. So in this particular one, you would want to order the 7/16. If you should have any additional questions in regards to replacement chair casters, please reach out to the experts at Caster Depot. Thank you.